Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine you will control. Enable remote desktop in settings, confirm the user account has a password, and note the PC name or local IP. Once done, decide if you'll use direct access or VPN. Direct access needs port 3389 opened and firewall exceptions. Make sure both devices are on reliable networks, update Windows, and optionally register a dynamic DNS name so you won't lose connection when IPs change. Open the remote desktop client on your device and enter the target PC's hostname or IP. Choose the saved user or type credentials when prompted. Using a Microsoft account works too. Before connecting, expand display and local resources to share clipboard, drives, or printers. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled for security, and under Experience, choose settings that match your bandwidth so audio and display are smooth. Then click Connect and accept the remote certificate if it's expected. Once you finish, lock or log out as needed and close the session cleanly. If you can't connect, first verify the target IP/hostname and that port 3389 forwards to the correct internal address. Make sure dynamic DNS is current. Next, check Event Viewer and Remote Desktop logs for auth or network errors. If still blocked, temporarily disable the firewall on the remote machine or use a VPN to determine whether the issue is a network firewall.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.